Transpose/unzip function, inverse of zip. I have a list of 2 item tuples and I'd like to convert them to 2 lists where the first contains the first item in each tuple and the second list holds the second item. For example, is there a built-in function that does that?
Into.x, zip is its own inverse, provided you use the special operator. This is equivalent to calling zip with each element of the list as a separate argument. Except the arguments are passed to zip directly, after being converted to a tuple, so there's no need to worry about the number of arguments getting too big. In 3.x, zip returns a lazy iterator, but this is trivially converted.
You could also do. It should scale better, especially if Python makes good on not expanding the list comprehensions unless needed. Incidentally, it makes a 2-tuple pair of lists rather than a list of tuples, like zip does. If generators instead of actual lists are okay, this would do that. The generators don't munch through the list until you ask for each element, but on the other hand, they do keep references to the original list.
I like to use zip iterable, which is the piece of code you're looking for, in my programs as so. I find unzip more readable.
If you have lists that are not the same length, you may not want to use zip as per Patrick's answer. This works. But with different length lists, zip truncates each item to the length of the shortest list. You can use map with no function to fill empty results with none. Zip is marginally faster though.